Hello guys, my name is Vikesh Kumar. I am from C Simplify IT. We work on e-commerce. So today what I have done, we have used the JSON array and then use the jQuery to display the data from that JSON array on the HTML page in the table format. So here what we have, I write an HTML code for the table that we will use to display the data of that JSON array, and then we have used a script, that is jQuery. Here in the variable JSON we put all the array of the data of that array we will store in the variable JSON. This is our JSON array that have the objects that have the data. Here we have defined a variable tr table row that we will use to store to display the data of this array in the table format. Then we have used a for loop. This for loop will run until the end of this JSON array, and then we have used here tr.append. In the jQuery we use append to insert a data in the HTML element. So here we have used this append. Here we use td, that is table data. The table data will show the value of that JSON, that is array. We have stored the value of JSON dot LUID, the value that is related to this key. Like here there is LUID is 307, so it will show in the table format in the first column, first row, that the value 307, and then the next it will again append this row and then put the value of this key value pair. So here it will check for this in the array. Here we have the value for this is this one, so it will show this value in opposite to this value in the array. So it will show the ID, then the display name in the array. So here we use a table heading for the ID, skill ID, and display name for skill name. We use skill name for display name. So here when we run this, in this table we'll use to check this table. So here when we run this, so we will get that all our data from this JSON array will be shown on an HTML page in the format of a table. Here we have also used an CSS to style our page, and also use iframe to show this data. So we use iframe here because we can get the scroll button, so we have not go to the bottom of the page to check the full table. We can scroll it down. So here we have the results. So here we go the table, that is skill ID and then skill name, two headings here, and this is the LUV ID that is in our JSON, and this is the display name. So here the ID will be displayed under the skill ID and the name will be displayed under the skill name. So here we have got this table, so we can scroll it down and up to see the whole data of this table. So thanks for listening this.